cyane urabona ko tuberanye najyanye ko mari kutsindira cy'umukobwa wagize irova nari soja baby you follow my step now reba rema baby you never pressure day by day baby you are my treasure day by day baby you never pressure day by day baby you are my treasure.
Episode ya 68 ukomereze hakuno yamani yaje hano.
Have you got confession?
Afande bamaze kuguha confession zabo se bamaze kwirega kwemera icyo. Surakora cyano wa mwana.
Listen, I'm not going anywhere until
Afande nta hantu namwe ndi buje paka bemeye icyo.
My God.
Mana yanjye.
Where did Matt Arkin go?
Hanyuma se maka we biraza kugenda mu
chief.
I want to days going.
Nawe ndamushaka.
With your permission first.
No binyemera ariko ndabona wigize afande hano wigize ndigabo.
Brother man.
Maka se hari kibazo afite kandi
He's somehow involved.
Nawe sabiri ibi bintu kandi.
He's the only one involved.
Kandi ariwe muntu wenyine nawe ubwo biri.
Matt supposedly did everything.
Natalia tubwiye yuko uriya mugabo ari wakoze ibintu byose ahubwo.
Either they planned well or Matt wasn't.
Reka nkubwire nimba aba bantu niyo icyaha abacyama bari gukina umukino wabo neza kubafata biraza kutugora. Kumbe Maka ari hakuno. Yicaye hano Maka.
What is taking the lawyer so long?
Lia nawe hano kuki biri gutinda? Yase.
What are you doing there?
Urakora icyo ngaho papa?
Are you just gonna sit there? Why don't you do it?
Urakomeza wicara ngaho nta kintu uri gukora.
Does any of this matter to you?
Ubundi bingibi hari ikintu bivuze kuri we ko mbona wabigize terere.
Get up and do something.
Shaka ikintu ukora.
If you're not going to do anything, just get out of here.
Nimba nta n'icyo wakora so kugenda.
Things you don't know there.
Wa mwana ntago uzi ukuri.
Give me an example.
Mu rugero basi.
Why would my mother want to kill us?
Mu rugero rwatuma mama wanjye ashaka kwica uriya musaza. Steven ise.
She be involved with this.
Iba bigeramo.
Because she's Steven's mistress.
Kubera ko nyoko ari habara rya Steven yi. Nyoko ni habara rya Steven wa mwana we. Nguki.
What?
Uze?
It's true.
Uko niko kuri.
You remember she told that she cheated on me?
Uribuka mama wakubwira ko yigeze kunca inyuma. Urabyibuka?
It was with Steven.
Ni Steven bari barancanye inyuma. Niba utari unabizi wa mwana ubimenye. Steven niwe bari barancanye inyuma. Twagiye kwibuka koko.
I was never worth it.
Nyina ari kubimubwira. Amubwira ati impamvu biriya byose byabaye. Nuko papa we nari namuca inyuma ajya kukurenza umuhanda yanyweye inzoga kurenza umuhanda.
She said it was over.
Nyoko yari yavuze ngo byari.
Promised me it was, but it wasn't.
Aransezeranya ngo birarangiye ariko ntago byari birangiye.
And Mr. Everett found out about it.
Don't be ridiculous.
Uriya musaza rero Everett yaje kubimenya. Muze witangira kumbwira ibintu by'ubugoryi. Bandizo nkuru mu mata.
Your mother killed Everett.
Mama wawe yishe muze Everett. Yaramwishe. So iselani muze. Shidaga byumva neza.
How do you know that?
Ubizi ute?
How do you know?
Ubizi ute muze kuri guhimba inkuru nawe ushaka gushyirishamo umuntu? Ubizi ute?
I saw her.
Kubera ko namwiboneye.
I saw it for myself.
naramubonye ku giti cyanjye je naramwiboneye naramubonye ari kwica muzehe.
Killed Everett.
Niwe wishe muzehe.
I was there when Everett died.
Nari mara ubwo muzehe yapfaga. Nawe ukurara kuzi. Tangiye kumubwira ukuntu ibintu byose byagenze. Yinjiye hano yumva isasu. Selina we.
What is it?
Bigenze bite kandi bigenze bite? Yageze hano asanga muzehe aryamye. Selina amaze kumurasa mu gatuza kamere. Selina ukoze ibiki?
Selina, what did you do?
Selina ukoze ibiki?
Selina, what did you do?
Selina we, Selina.
Mr. Everett. Selina, what did you do?
Selina ukoze ibiki wowe kabyara we?
Call an ambulance.
Hamagara ambulance boss. Hamagara ambulance none.
What you do?
Ukoze ibiki? Selina akuno nawe.
What you do?
Ukoze ibiki Selina? Isi yamwikaragiye imufungira amaferi.
You must believe me.
Nyizera.
I didn't have a choice.
Nta bundi buryo nari nsigaranye, nta yandi mahitamo nari mfite.
He threatened me about Stephen.
Yari yanteye ubwoba ku byanjye na Stephen.
We would be finished for. He said we would be disgraced. He said.
Arambwira ngo turi igisebo.
He said he would finish us off.
Arambwira ngo ibaraza kubyirangiriza mu buryo bwe.
Left me no other choice.
Nta yandi mahitamo nari mfite, nta bundi buryo nari mfite, ni ukuri.
Stop.
Rekeraho, nta bundi buryo nari mfite. Rekeraho ariko rekeraho.
Stop.
Rekeraho.
I'm begging you, please say.
Ndakwinginze. Ntabara, ni ukuri kw'Imana ntabara.
I can't go to prison.
Ntabwo nasubira kuri sitasiyo ya polisi, ni ukuri ntabara.
I won't survive in there. We could be a family again.
Kibazo. Basi nje nawe tuzongera tuba umuryango. Ndakwinginze.
Daughter, we could.
Ntabwo nasubira kuri polisi. Bahita bamfunga.
Things were back on track.
Yagiye ku mava amupfukamira namwinginga n'ibyo byose umusaza ari kubwira Liya ukuntu ibintu byagenze. Ibyamusezeranye nawe ati mfashe urwaneho n'ibiki byose. Mu ntebe.
I helped carry the body.
Ndangije ndamufata dusohora umurambo.
To help your mother. To protect your mother. I carried the body.
Kugira ngo mere ndinde nyoko mufashe nasohoye umurambo ninjye wawikoreye. Uretse. Rekeraho muze, rekeraho. Umbabarire wa mwana we.
I'm sorry.
Umbabarire.
Look upset to hear this.
I mean, Chief.
Umbabarire kuba wumvisha ibyo bintu afana.
I mean, of course, if he's involved in this,
Icyo nshaka kuvuga nyine nimba ari muri
he has to pay the price.
nawe agomba kwishyurira igiciro.
But Rio will be hurt again.
Ariko Liya none harababara kurushaho.
Her father was the last person to call her fat
Papa wiwe niwe muntu wa nyuma.
He's innocent.
Ariko ntabwo ari inzirakarengane.
too, Chief.
Don't worry.
Wigira ikibazo.
Your mother will still get out of this.
Mama wawe ndabizi araza kuva muri ibi bintu.
Nothing will happen to her.
Nta kintu kiri bumubeho.
I'm sure she has a plan.
Ndabizi ko afite umupango.
They'll sacrifice me.
Wo kuntanga nk'igitambo.
She made me an accomplice.
Yagize umufatanyacyaha we.
It couldn't have been for nothing.
Ariko basi ntabwo byakabaye bipfa ubusa gutya.
Must have a plan. They'll burn me.
Byanze bikunze impamvu nyoko yabikoze akangira umufatanyacyaha yari afite umupango.
Okay, my dear.
Sibyo mwana wanjye.
Don't be scared.
Nikiri ubwoba.
Ria.
Liya. Aje hano ni Alice na Kaizari. Liya.
We got here as soon as we could. What happened?
Tugeze hano tukimenya amakuru byagenze bite? Wakwani? Byagenze bite?
Check on Yemen.
Reka nje kureba Yamani.
Caesar.
Kaizari we.
We need to get my father out of here.
Wamfasha ukavana papa hano hantu ukamuvana hano muri polisi. Iki?
Please.
Nakwinginze.
Ria, dear.
Please.
Liya mwana wanjye ndakwinginze.
What's going on?
Lia, niki kiri kujya mbere?
Please don't ask me questions.
Mwimbaza ibibazo.
Alice.
Ariko munsezeranye ko papa wanje mugiye kumuvana hano, aba ntago baramenye ngo niki kijya mbere. Mwansore muzehe mukamuvanira kuko polisi niziramuka ziyamusanze tayari statement arayifata yirimo. Arabarishe ni kabisa. Byari ukuntu baje bambwira ngo geza ngo nimba leta yaguhamagaye ngo itabo. Ngo ngiye gutanga ubuhamya. Abizi nigeze kujya ngiye gutanga ubuhamya, nagiye kuwa gatanu bahita bajya muri weekend, byakurikiyeho ndabyibuka sha.
I don't know. Isn't he here?
Urwego rwo kugira ngo ubuhamya babe babubitse budatakaza agaciro,
You look...
statement izafatwa ku wundi munsi w'akazi.
Ria,
Dukomeze Leon.
the chief needs a statement from him.
Avande akeneye statement iva kuri papa wawe.
Chief,
Papa uri.
how about you just lock me up
Mwafunze jewe se afande.
until he's destroyed us all?
Niba mushaka gufunga mwafunze je. We wangije imiryango y'abandi bose ubugeze no mu muryango wanje, eh?
Father, because we need a statement.
Wa mwana dukeneye statement kuri papa wawe, tubwira ahantu ari rero dufashe dufatikanye tumenye ngo ni ibiki sibyo. Elia. Nta makuru mwa mufite sha mujye mumbaza ukuntu ibintu bigenda. Hey!
What are you saying, brother? They're gonna put all the blame on you, right? That Steven is a bastard.
Oya mujenga ngo ni Steven ni ikigoryi.
Statement.
So,
None.
where are you taking me?
Munjanye he.
To our place.
Tukujanye iwacu.
Look for you there.
Nta muntu waza kuhagushakira. Aho sikari ibyo kuko. Shofe hagarara nkwereke, hagarara nkwereke.
Come on, get in.
Njira mu modoka.
Good evening.
Mugoroba mwiza shofe, mugoroba mwiza. Ariko none. Kwereka hano. Akarira kari kureba amafoto ya Steven, ya mafoto y'amani yafotoye. Amafoto ya Selina na Steven cyaje bahura kuri hoteli igihe Selina yaramuzanye agapfunyika karimo ya mikufi n'ibiki n'amazabu. Ibyo bintu waretse kubireba.
You better not get involved.
Wese waretse kubyivanga amahoro. Alex.
Can you explain? Why is he here?
Mama, wansobanura kuki ari hano?
Father's a traitor. Our grandfather's dead.
Papa ni umugambanyi. Sogokuru yapfuye. Inshuti yawe magara ni umwicanyi.
It's our families, no one else.
Ni
Alex,
umuryango wacu niwe ufite ibibazo, nta wundi muntu ufite
it
ikibazo.
is on me. That's why.
I mean, what are these?
Ese ibi ni ibiki?
What does it all mean?
Ibi bishatse gusobanura
I
iki?
don't know anything.
Nta kintu tubize wa mwana.
Actually, in cases such as this one,
Iyo bimeze gutya rero, haba hari uburyo bubi. Kuba bagiye kugurizanya amafaranga cyangwa se baca inyuma abagore babo nabo abo bubaka.
in toward the latter.
Ikibazo
What does it mean?
bishatse kuvuga iki?
Together.
Bishatse kuvuga ko Selina na papa
Carla.
na Curuba ruhashyaga Kalila we. Ntabwo uri kubyumva.
And that's why they might have killed Grandpa.
Akaba ari nayo mpamvu bashobora kuba barishe sogokuru yabavumbuye. Alex,
Will you take your sister?
wamfasha ugacyura mushiki wawe mu rugo?
I don't think we should be here.
Ndakeka tutakaye tukiri nano kuko
Whatever they want. Come on, Carla.
twigendere n'ubundi ibyo ushaka mbona ubifite hano.
It's okay, honey.
Alex ntabwo akunda George Eden.
Don't worry about me.
Winjira ikibazo wa mwana we. Jewe winjira ikibazo.
Go home now.
Eta uje mu rugo.
Later, okay?
Genda uje mu rugo uranyumva?
Come on.
Sawa mama. Genda. Ibintu ntabyizeye sinabishyiramo polisi. Uranyumva?
Here.
Umva reba hano.
Look.
Reba hano mwana.
Do you see?
Uri kubona aya mafoto? Cyatazi iriya yabimenye ko n'ubundi nyina na Steven hashyaga.
I told her the police found evidence and they rushed to me, Ria.
Nakubwiye ko polisi yabonye ibimenyetso Lia.
Couch away because it had blood on it.
Impamvu iriya ntebe bayivanye wanyu bakayijugunya nuko yari irimo amaraso kandi yasohoka.
Okay, you were right. You were right again. But I'm tired of you always being right. I hate it when you're right, young man.
Do you think that I'm happy that I was right?
urakeka njyewe nshimishijwe no kuba ibyo nkeka byose nsanga ari
I hate
ukuri
that it's tearing you up. But there's nothing I can...
ndabizi ko ibyo ndi gukora biri kukubabaza ariko nanjye nta bundi buryo mfite nta kindi nabikora uriya
This is where we are.
Aha
This
niho
is the
turi.
truth.
turi gushaka ukuri
Look,
umva
tell
Reba
the
hano.
father to come.
bwira papa
Pin
wawe
it on him now.
bamuvanemo statement bashaka kumukuramo atanga
Give
ubuhamya
my father to them.
cye ntabwo ndi butange papa wanjye kuri polisi reka reka
Your father's only going to give a statement.
papa wawe ni statement gusa ari butanga
Rio,
riya
look,
umva riya ndakwiyamye icyo atazi bakuru be nako murumuna we na mushiki we nibo bagiye gutsimba umusaza
I don't know.
we ntabyo uzi
please.
umva ntega amatwi
They're trying to pin it on him.
bari kugerageza kubimugerekaho
If he was never involved, then he should have nothing to worry about.
rero nimba muzehe n'ubundi ntahuriye nabyo ntacyo gutinya afite we ntabwo ubyumva
Come back.
cyo ndumubwira agaruke nyine
It just makes him look more guilty.
kubera ko kwiruka biratuma icyaha kimuhama kandi kitanamuhamaga
The moment he walks through that door, they're going to pin it on him.
urakeka namara kwinjiramo hariya bamugeretseho ibingana gute ari buze gusohoka
Like they did when I was a child.
ibi nibyo byabaye nkiri umwana
Stephen and my mom had a relationship.
Steven na mama n'ubundi bararyamana
Those days, it turns out that's why my
muzehe wanjye abimenye
will do the same thing again.
bashaka uburyo bamufungisha birarangira baraza kongera babikorereho
I can't give him up again.
ntabwo ndi buze kubaha andi mahirwe yo gufunga papa oya ntawe nguha icyo ukora icyo ari cyo cyose ntawe nguha yamani oya ntitubishwanire pe ntitubishwanire hano utekereza kugira ngo bakubwire ngo hamagara papa waze bamufunge
To worry.
iki ni ikibazo twigarukira hakuno kuri nde
Oh,
kuri
no,
oruga
there's nothing to worry about.
oya impamvu utagomba guhangayika ntacyo guhangayikira gihari
Your dad's fine.
papa wameze
He's
neza
still alive.
aracyari muzima
I'm kidding.
ndi gukina
Son, I can't give him the phone.
mwana wanjye ntabwo namuha telefone no nta muhungu wanjye
I think your man is in trouble and he went to go and find him.
ndakeka yamani yari ari mu bibazo niwe yagiye kureba yorwa umugore wande wa George Aiden
With Yaman yet. But I met his mother.
ntabwo ndahura na yamani
She's even prettier than person.
ariko nahuye na nyina nabonye ari mwiza kurusha ku mafoto
Of course she's not prettier.
oya ntabwo ari mwiza kundusha wanjye
Sing this, are we?
ese nibi nibyo tugiye kuvuganiraho mwana
Come
wanjye
on, son, I'm already tired.
mwana wanjye ndananiwe
Now, love you too. Bye bye.
nawe ndagukunda bayi nawe ndagukunda mwana wanjye hakuno ni Olga umugore wa George Aiden nawe yaje inaha ibuke George yagiye kureba nde yajyanye na Natalie bari kuri polisi niho bari sasa yaje hakuno ni Olga kureba hano karitiri hano irimo ibintu byahoze ari ibya Natalie kera ibisoko z'amafoto
It just sits there.
yatangiye
Let's
kuvuga
say that it's mine.
umugabo amubwira ati mfite inzu muri Istanbul
Doors long ago. I never opened it again.
iyo nzu narayifunze igihe kinini
I'm never
cyashize
able to go back in there
sinigeze nongera kuyifungura ariko mba numva ko nyisubiyemo
again.
kuyisohokamo byamvuna ndamutse mbashije kugera muri iyo nzu kongera kuyisohokamo byamvuna umugabo yari atarazi inaha ni George Aiden yari atarazi inaha hakuno
Here.
shyira hakuno shyira
Warm,
hano
hot.
Thank you, George.
kamwe kagishyushye urakoze George
Alex is right, you know.
Alex aravuga ukuri koko
You should go home.
wakabaye utaha iwawe sibyo ibuke ntibagikundana
Why?
ntabwo ari umugore
Okay.
kubera iki uri hano
Why are you hanging out here?
kubera iki ukomeje kwizirika hano
George?
George
George, can
George
you
we
hear me?
ntabwo uri kunyumva
I hear you,
we ndakumva da
but I can't go.
ariko nta hantu najya ngo ngusige hano
You won't convince me otherwise.
siko wajyayo nawe wabyemye
She's waiting for you.
umugore aragutegereje ariko kiraho telefone kasonnye hano.
Now do you see?
Si ubibona? Ubibona?
Hello?
Yego.
Is everything alright?
Ibintu byose bimeze neza.
It's fine, don't worry.
Nta mpamvu yo guhangayika.
Late, isn't it?
Bwakeye mwana, si bwakeye.
Let's see.
Kandebe.
3 o'clock in the morning.
Saa 9 za mu gitondo.
That's normal in Istanbul, isn't it?
Oya ntago bwakeye cyane.
About that.
Istanbul will do that to you.
Considering that the streets
Istanbul izajya igutungura
in
buri gihe.
Switzerland,
Uragiye wamere nko muri Switzerland.
rhythm of life is very disrupted here.
Ubuzima bwa hano
Fitting
buracanganye.
right in. Otherwise you'd be asleep by now, yeah?
Jye nari nzi kubiza isaha uryamye.
Wait up for me.
Ntuntegereze rero.
Is Natalie with you?
Natali muri kumwe.
There.
Umunsi uhuriza.
I will.
Ndabikora.
See you.
Tuze kongera kubonana. Ntari bitubonane. Hakuno umugore nawe ari kubibona ariko uyu mugabo asa nkaho adahari kubwe. Rebye ni karita irimo utuntu twa Natali twa kera. Uyoberwa ukwibye ntabwo uyoberwa. Uyoberwa ukwibye haguhisha no kukwibye uba wamumenye. Ikinyarwanda ubundi babivuga neza ngo ntawe uyoberwa umwibye yoberwa hamuhisha. Hakuno hano turiho n'utwandiko twa Natali na George bakiri insoresore. Yabibona ko George yakundanaga na Natali ibyanya byo biri seriye. Ariko nanjye ndaje nshaka girlfriend. Dore ndarambiwe. Abantu muri kureba filime nta muntu wambera girlfriend. Kandi kondisiyo muze kuzimba. Zakubundi wazibabwira. Kungurira bye 3 ku munsi. Urumva? Mu gitondo saa 6 na nimugoroba kutambazaho nagiye urumva.
Sleeping, you should get this message in the morning.
Ndabizi urasinzira.
The address of George's
iyi message ushobora kuza kuyibona mu gitondo ariko uze kunyoherereza adresse za wa muhungu wa George Aiden ahantu ashobora kuba atuye. Sinzi umuntu yandikiye aka message nijoro. Mugore kutambaza impamvu ntashye nasinze urumva. Kutambaza nimba narindi mu bindi bintu byacuruba.
What are you doing here?
Rero kurikirana ariko
George, this isn't proper.
ibi bintu nakari
I already feel bad enough. I don't want to be a burden anymore.
Jesse nshakongera kuba
And
umutwaro.
don't.
Wiba umutwaro rero.
Olga doesn't blow things out of proportion.
We ntabwo ibintu byose bigenda gutyo mwana.
She was worried. And she said that.
Mugore wanje naje abizi kandi yavuga gukuri yanabinsabye. Nanyumva wibyivanga muri.
He's right. So much has happened to you since you came back.
Ariko koko nibyo yakubwiraga n'ukuri hamaze kukuba byinshi kuva wagaruka.
Still worse.
Mugore wanje yamenyereye n'ibirenze ibi.
I've put her through a lot.
Kuko namunyujije muri byinshi.
When we first met,
Je nawe duhura bwa
it
mbere.
was a wreck.
Nari ikigoryi nari umusinzi umusazi uraho.
She picked me up.
Yarantoraguye byabaye nkantoraguye.
Do it. Don't worry.
Rero iba arabimenyereye wibigiraho ikibazo arabimenyereye kutambona hafi aho. Arabimenyereye wewe wibyivangamo. Byanjye na famille yanjye bivemo.
They put the blame on me.
Bagerageje kubingerekaho. Cyamani hakuno yahuye na muze.
That hole. I don't see a way out.
Sinigeze mbona inzira imvana muri.
I'm not going. Come down.
Nkuko nabikubwiye muze tuzi.
Yeoman's just telling you what Mom said. It was a lie. We all know it.
Twese turabizi ko ibyo byari ibinyoma.
Don't take this the wrong way. But if
Ibintu
you're
bifate nabi.
guilty, why don't you talk to the police?
ase kuki utajya gushaka kuvugana na polisi
Hands clean of all this,
niba
right?
uzi kuri inzira akarengane wagiye kuba statement yawe bikarangira aba ntago bazi ko yafashije guterura umurambo umuntu ubizi ni Nathan
I'm
Liyagusa.
trying to tell you, brother Matt.
icyo nshaka kukubwira muvandimwe Mark, umva,
As long as you don't go and give a
mu gihe
statement,
cyose utarajya kuri
you
polisi
only look more suspicious.
bizajya bituma bakomeza kugukeka no kukugerekaho ibyaha bitari ibya nyabyo.
We've all been through this.
Ibi
Look,
twese tubinyuramo
they've
buri
been
munsi.
there, you've been there.
wagiye kuri polisi iriya nagiyeyo basize abageye inshuro
Brother
nyinshi.
Matt,
Matt,
let's do this.
reka tubikore mwana,
Let's go to the police station.
reka tujye kuri sitasiyo ya polisi
Tell them everything you know.
ubabwire ibintu byose uzi. Oya,
Is anything you can say to help?
No, son, I
niba
told
hari ikintu wavuga cyafasha, oya mwana sinjye.
We talked about this.
Ibi nje nawe twabivuganyeho yamana, sibyo?
He has a criminal record.
Papa wanjye afite record z'ibyaha n'umuntu asanzwe ashinjwa.
That a criminal is innocent?
Urakeka nagera ari umunyabyaha bari buvuge ngo uyu muntu wari warafunguwe ejo bundi ni inzirakarengane? Nikubikeka
Chief Selig is not like that, Ria.
afande nagaruka ateye Eliya, ni umuntu wanariza ushyira mu gaciro sawa nyine. ubundi umupolisi ahita agufata iyo agiye kukwandikira akakubwira gaheza mpereza perimesi,
Or not be a burden on you. We'll take.
ayimuhereza ukamubwira afande si turi inshuti se,
That's not why we said it.
nta munoti your friend my friend. Umva mureke tubanze twicare tubiganireho.
I'll shut up. And I'm
Sorry, Kanzi.
okay? I'm sorry, brother.
Umbabare muvande,
Can you sit down?
icara
Stay, Ria.
Then promise me.
tubiganire ubanza unsezere.
Promise me that you'll not take my father to the police.
Sezeranya ko utari bujyane papa wanjye kuri polisi, sezeranya. Ikibazo uyu mugabo nawe hari statement agomba kujya gutanga kuri sitasiyo ya polisi, binsezeranya.
And I'm
Sorry, Kanzi.
okay? I'm sorry, brother.
Umbabare muvande,
Can you sit down?
icara
Stay, Ria.
Then promise me.
tubiganire ubanza unsezere.
Promise me that you'll not take my father to the police.
Sezeranya ko utari bujyane papa wanjye kuri polisi, sezeranya. Ikibazo uyu mugabo nawe hari statement agomba kujya gutanga kuri sitasiyo ya polisi, binsezeranya.
Okay.
Sawa
Please, will you sit back down now?
sawa basi mwakwicara se.
That I promise.
Nsezeranya ariko vuga ngo ndagusezeranyije.
Promise.
Okay, ndagusezeranya.
That'll be the red line.
Ndagusezeranya ibyo ngibyo ko ari umurongo ntari buze kurenga. Iyo nirenga nkumene. Okay. Welcome.
If we're all good, why don't we just lie down and get some rest? We're heading back to the hall tonight. There's
Nimba ari ibyo rero,
mattress, clean sheets, everything inside.
matera n'amashuka birahari, mwe muze kuryama
Did he
hano
have
ijoro jye na
Anything, and you're here.
umva se.
Have a
Mwe
good.
muri hano twe tugiye kurara imihanda, mwe mushaka ukuntu mwiranja murare hano, inzu ntabwo bayikwirwamo bose. Hakuno aciyeho muze yasigara hano. Muze yarabizi ko bari buze kumugerekera uko byagenda uko ariko kose, ibyo byarabizi aranabyiteguye.
Yama, what's up? What's your problem?
Jamani ufite ikihe kibazo?
He's innocent. Can't you see that?
Uriya mugabo ni inzirakarengane ntabwo ubibona,
Slandering him for no reason.
arajya kwitanga nta mpamvu.
Girl? Then there's you. Pouring fuel on the fire, telling him to make a statement. You know,
Hari nawe wari umeze nk'uwongera esanse mu muriro umubwira ngo ajye kwitanga. Ese wajya mvuga ibiki njyewe?
Wait a sec.
Uretse gato,
Are you nervous because of the police?
tangiye kugira ubwoba kubera polisi.
Accomplice? But if that happens, we'll all be burned. That's one thing I can guarantee.
No,
Oya,
it's not about the police.
ikibazo ntabwo ari polisi.
I was already so confused.
Nanjye byari byancanze.
Worse.
how?
Gute?
Let's say Selena is the killer.
Reka ariko tuvuge ko Selena ari
The
umwicanyi.
chance she
Uri
is.
kubishidikanyaho ko hari undi mwicanyi?
No, just
Oya, nyine navugaga
even if she did kill him,
reka tuvuge ko ari
how did she
umwicanyi.
get him in Steven's shop?
Nimba yarishe muzehe urakeka yaramugejeje ate muri butu ya Steven?
Oh, I didn't consider it.
Umusaza hari ufite ibiro bingana kuri yakuze ko ibyo bintu
The
ntabitekereje.
couch alone?
Urakeka Selena yiteruje intebe
What are
we?
you saying? I didn't understand.
Uri kuvuga ibiki
He
sibyo?
helped Alice.
Matt
He
yaramufashije.
didn't do anything else. He helped Selena.
Nta kindi yakoze ariko yafashije Selena gusibanganya
Still,
ibimenyetso.
Selena.
Then why do you tell Rhea you wouldn't take him to the police?
None kuki ubwiye Rhea kutari bujyane se kuri polisi kandi uzi ibyo byose? Wamubeshya?
Did I have any other choice?
Hari andi mahitamo nari nsigaranye?
If I let them go, they'll flee.
Iyo mbareka bakagenda bari gutoroka. Nari kuzabakura he?
I'll talk to them in the morning.
N'ubundi ndaza kuvugana nabo mu
Yeah,
gitondo.
look, we don't have parents and that is okay.
Yamani, twe nta babyeyi tugira kandi ntacyo
And
bidutwara.
endure the absence of an unfamiliar emotion to a certain extent.
Ariko ibaze ko ibi bintu byose bizamo ku miryango ibiki
Mother's lap.
ari byo bizana amarangamutima atari
All she has right now.
uriya nawe nta wundi
she
asigaranye
loses-
usibye uriya musaza wenyine nyine yamaze kumenya amabi ye.
Look,
Rhea asigaranye se gusa.
Alice, do you
Batega amatwi Alice.
aware of that? But whoever's involved in this deserves to be punished.
uwagiye muri ibi bintu wese agomba kubihanirwa.
And brother Matt.
N'umuvandimwe Mark arimo.
Right.
Ise wa Rhea, Mark Amber.
Justice triumphs all.
Okay, just don't do anything until you're sure.
Okay, ntiwugire ikintu ukora rero mpaka wizeye ibyo uraba ugiye gukora.
May the God be with you and help, brother.
Imana zibe ziri kumwe nawe zimufashe muvandi. Nukuri da. Genda abona ari ibindi. Baciyeho bagiye kujya kwirarira nimba ari muri lodge nimba ari hehe. Zigiye kurara muri ya na se na Yamani. Ariko nibyo byarabaye. Bwatinze. Burira bigera mu gicuku. Ko bwakije nijoro.
There again.
Ntago nsubira muri gereza.
Father.
Oya. Yehe.
Are you...
Simubashye.
Father, you were talking.
Muse wari uri
Are you
kwivugisha.
having a nightmare?
Wari uri kurota nabi. Rhea.
Shall I go get you some water?
Nkuzanire amazi yo kunywa mwana wanjye.
They're gonna throw me back in there.
Bagiye kunsubiza muri gereza bagiye kongera
To
banjugunye.
the wolves, I know it.
Ndabizi.
That's not going to happen.
Ntago biri buze kuba muze.
Do you hear me? No one
Uri
will
kunyumva
put me in
Yamani yo?
prison. I'm not going to let this happen.
Ntago uri buze gusubira muri gereza. Yigira hafi amakuru ayo yakururiye kuri radari neza.
She asked for my help.
Yansabye ubufasha mama wawe.
She said we'd be a family again.
Yarambwiye ngo tuzongera tuba umuryango nje nawe nawe.
Again.
Ngo tuba umuryango.
I fell for it again.
Ndangije ngwa mu gatego.
What happened?
Nibyo byabaye.
She made me carry the body, Rhea.
Yatumye nikorera umurambo Rhea. Yamana arabyumva. Nagashaka umuhoza Rhea ariko nta bundi buryo. Yatumye nikorera umurambo.
I can't go back to prison.
Ntago nasubira muri
I
gereza.
can't do this.
Oya.
Die in there.
Oya.
It's okay. It's okay. I give you my word.
Bimeze sawa muze.
I promise you that you're not going in.
Yamani yampaye isezerano rye kandi ntago ararenga ku isezerano ryiwe. Nanjye ndagusezeranya ko utari busubire muri gereza. Kubera ko mu gitondo turaza gucika
I'll leave here first thing tomorrow morning, okay?
Izuba rikirasa mu cyakare nje nawe turigendera muze. Yamani arabyumva.
Yaman will be after us too.
Yamani nawe azaduhiga ariko nitugenda.
Boy has lost his grandfather. If he finds out that I helped him.
Erega uriya mwana nawe yapfushije sekuru. Naramuka amenye ko nabafashije rero nabafashije gusibanganya ibimenyetso. Urumva uko biri bugenda.
I'm gone before that.
Turaza kugenda mbere y'ibyo byose. Hakuna. Rhea nawe atangiye kungambanira. Arabyumva Rhea atangiye kungambanira. Nta n'urusoni Rhea atangiye kumvamo. Muze.
When I was little and scared, you told me to be a red kite, remember?
Kera wigeze kumbwira ngo mbere nka wa muparara
I
w'abantu.
need to close my eyes.
Ngo mfunga amaso yanjye.
And I imagined I was a red kite.
Ndangije ntangira gutekereza ko nabaye ka gaparara kaguruka mu kirere za ndege abana bagurutse.
Come here. Come on.
Inano muzehe.
It's just like that.
Nkuko wabimbwiye nyine nawe bari kubyimagina.
Now imagine that you're a red kite.
Tekereza abaye kariya gaparara kaguruka mu kirere.
Gradually soaring upwards.
Wibereye hejuru mu kirere.
The wind is blowing so sweetly.
Yari gukonsotinga papa.
Peacefully throughout the clouds.
Wowe umeze nk'uri gutumbagira ujya mu bicu hejuru.
Now you're in the sky.
Uri mu kirere rero.
Those monsters are so far below.
Wumve ko izo nyamaswa ziri hasi.
Can no longer harm you because they can't get to you.
Ndetse zitabasha kukubabaza kuko zitakugeraho muze. Wowe uri mu kirere bo bari hasi.
Because you're so high in the sky.
Kubera ko wibereye hejuru mu kirere.
And they're down on the ground.
Bo bakaba hasi ku butaka. Sibyo papa.
They can't fly like you.
Kubera ko batabasha kuguruka nkawe.
They can't even see you.
Batanakubona.
They can't catch you anymore because
ko batabasha kugufata kubera ko
you are free now, Father.
Kubera ko uzaba ubohotse papa. Se bari gushaka bimujerekaho. Kari we wishe. Ikibazo. Ya nawe hakuno. Bari gushaka ubigereka kuri Mark amba kari we wishe muzehe. Ya hakuno. Gerageza gutera ingabo se mu bitugu. Ariko n'ubundi ko byagenda ko serious statement ngomba gutangwa kuri polisi kandi nimba nawe ari mu bafashije guterura umurambo niyo icyaha cyo kwica kitamuhama agahamwa n'icyo cyo guterura umurambo bazabyita gushinyagurira umurambo. Hano ubushinjwe ibyaha bitatu. Hari ugusibanganya ibimenyetso, ugufatanya cyaha mu kwica no gushinyagurira umurambo. Murabyumva? Gushinyagurira umurambo ajya kuwuterura awujugunya muri butu y'imodoka icyo ni kimwe. Ugufatanya cyaha mu kwica no gusibanganya ibimenyetso kuko intebe yarateruye ibiki byose arabisibanganya yanga no kujya gutanga amakuru. Yavuye yagaruka hakuno amani yisinzirijwe. Aliya ajano barakundana ariko none ngamatage agira n'abatandukanye abakunzi imitima itabishaka ari kubuzima. Iyo ndirimbo ni yande we Jay Kabaka hakuno.
Madar Khan is nowhere to be found.
Maka nta hantu namwe turi kumubona.
Rhea?
Hanyuma Rhea we.
Is Rhea with him?
Rhea bari kumwe. Oya. Mwana wanjye. Dore Serena kwigira ariko.
That man is so dangerous.
Uriya mugabo ni umuntu mubi.
Telling you, that man is sick.
Uriya mugabo ararwaye.
He may hurt Rhea. I need to protect her.
Ngomba kurinda umukobwa
wanjye. Allow me.
Afande.
Please let me speak to her. Please, I need to talk.
Wanyemere nkavugana n'umukobwa wanjye ko nshaka ko tuvugana.
Protect her.
Ndakwinginze nshaka kwirindira umwana.
Hurt Rhea, please, I'm begging you.
Ndakwinginze afande, ndakwinginze ndagupfukamiye. Kumva umugabo hakuno. Maka amba ari hano. Tu. Kwica hano. Tangira kubona ibidara, tangira kubona Serena yaje hano.
He used to be like this.
Nuko wahoze regawo.
Cowardly.
Kigwari.
Helpless.
Udafite uwagufasha.
Short-sighted.
Ureba hafi utagira ufungura amaso murebe kure.
But Stephen's not like that.
Ariko Stephen we suka ameze.
He's not like you.
Ntago ameze nkawe pe.
He's not afraid of anything.
Nta kintu na kimwe ajya atinya Stephen. Ari kubona ibidaru uyu nawe.
Selena.
Yarakwizeye Selena. Yaramaze. Bagatwenge do. Umugabo mwibuke ngo yajyaga mu imiti ya Karayesi.
You're such a blind fool. You didn't even take the phone and look at who I called.
Wene wigeze ufata na telefone ngo urebe ngo ninde nari mpamagaye wa munsi. None barakwereka Serena amaze kwica umuntu bagusubiza inyuma ukuntu ibintu byageze. Yavuye kujugunya umurambo.
What happened?
Byagenze bite? Wavuye kujugunya umurambo. Byagenze bite?
Did you handle it?
Wabikemuye?
Please tell me it's over. Please tell me it's over.
Ngira ko ibi bintu byarangiye.
Handled it. What did you... Tell me, what did you do?
Ngira wakoze ibiki? Wakoze ibiki ubigenjeje gute? Bikemuye ute? Uyu yari avuye kumujugunyira umurambo.
Did you bury him?
Wamushyinguye?
You're so clean.
Ko mbona
your clothes.
Ko mbona utanduye imyenda yawe.
Did you dump him?
N'inkweto zawe wamujugunye hehe?
He's in Steven's truck.
Ari mu modoka ya Steven. Niho namutaye.
What?
Kubera iki?
Why?
Kubera iki?
Why the hell would you leave him in Steven's trunk?
Why?
Kubera iki mu modoka ya Steven? Kubera iki?
Steven deserves this.
Ese uracheka Steven adakwiriye ibi bintu?
What happened? Are you sad?
Nikugendekeye bite ikibazo cyawe?
Why would I protect him?
Are you still protecting him?
Urashaka kumurinda Steven, ushaka kumurinda. Kuki se namurinda?
Why would I?
Fine, then call the police.
Okay, sawa, hamagara polisi none.
You'll call the police.
We hamagara polisi.
For Steven.
Ufungishe Steven.
This father-in-law's dead body.
Umubwire ko umurambo wa sebukwe uri mu modoka ya Steven.
Get out of this.
Ntabwo ari buze kuva muri ibi bintu.
He'll pay for what he did to you and me.
Araza kwishyura ibyo yagukoreye n'ibyo nanjye yankoreye.
Caden, I have Ivan's statement. If I ever...
Uyatangira kwibuka Steven amubwira ati mfite statement y'umuvandimwe Ivan gushita kari we wishe Kayitani. Bikore saramutsa mutanze nawe yaza kumutanga.
Okay, I'm calling, okay.
Go on.
Sawa reka muhamagare polisi. Kashe telefone hano hamagare polisi.
Good evening, officer. I'd like to report.
Selena.
Cyana shaka kurega Selena.
About Steven.
Steven uhamagare. Steven is serani.
There's a dead body.
Hari umurambo.
It's in his trunk.
Uri muri buti imodoka. Asuri kuvuga ibiki Selena. Umbi yahamagaye Steven ameze nk'uri kumurabura. Muraza gusangamo umurambo Selena ahita kupa. Yari ameze nk'uri kurabura Steven. We. Steven ni bwa sote yaraje kwica nde? Aje kwica George Aiden cyagihe. Bivuze ngo Steven yageze hano nawe ataramenya yuko umurambo uri muri butu y'imodoka yiwe. Hey. Yageze hano ataramenya ko umurambo uri muri butu y'imodoka yiwe. Nibwo uriya umugore yamuhamagaye Natalie. Yarageze kwa George aje guhiga George. Kuza kureba muri butu y'imodoka yiwe. Nibwo yasanzemo umurambo wa muzehe. Jarumiwe. Ungatagira ubona ibi bintu.
I believed in you.
Jena kwizerereye. Wenga.
Could love me.
Siko akongera ukankunda. Ari kumuseka nibyo ari kubona bidahari. Kuko menya yarabanje.
Kill you. Selena, I'll kill you.
Selena ndakwica. Zagre.
Kill you. I'll kill you, Selena.
Selena ndakwica.
I swear to God I'll kill you.
Ndakwica Selena ndakwica.
Kill you.
Nama nareba uyu mugabo si umwehura.
Shut up.
Uyu mugabo si umwehu nibyajaguye.
Kill you, Selena. I'll kill you.
Selena ndakwica iconze cyo Selena ndakwica. Yareba hakuno. Garutse hano asanga agakobwa karakiryamiye. Ikalia. Jano. Yangije gufatira icyuma.
Don't deserve to live. You can kill you.
Jano arangije gufatira icyuma tsimbamo hano.
You'll never walk this earth again.
Ya mugabo ataza kunyica ninjoro sha. Ya mugabo ndabona ari umweho byarajaguye. Ataza kunyica ninjoro reka ndarana akantu. Nagatwaro karabo. Iyi filime. Cha kuri Ganzo TV, kuri decoder ya Star Times. Umunsi kuva kuwa mbere kugera kuwa gatanu, saa 12:45 kugera saa 2. Ure muzikurikira. Ciao bye. See you.